Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to replace your BMW 3 Series door handle. First, let's gather our essential tools. You will need a plastic trim removal tool set to protect your car's surfaces. A T20 torque screwdriver is crucial for many fasteners. Also, have a small flathead screwdriver and a drill with an 8mm twist drill bit ready for specific steps. These tools will help ensure a smooth replacement process. Now, let's begin by carefully removing the door panel. Use your trim tool to gently pry off the plastic cover from the inner door handle. Behind this, you will find two T20 torque screws. Remove them. Next, unclip the entire door panel, starting from the bottom edge and working your way up. Be mindful of the electrical connections as you pull it away. With the door panel partially removed, it's time to detach the old handle. Disconnect any electrical connectors and the door handle cable. For interior handles, you will often find 4 melted plastic rivets securing it. Use your drill with an 8mm bit to carefully remove these rivets. Once free, you can gently pull the old handle away from the door panel. Finally, let's install your new door handle and reassemble everything. Place the new handle onto the door panel and secure it using 4 Phillips head screws, replacing the drilled rivets. Reconnect all electrical harnesses and the door handle cable. Align the door panel clips and firmly press it back into place. Finish by reinstalling the 2 T20 torque screws and the trim cover. Test the handle's function.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.